Hey everybody, Chris Negley with Elegant Estates. I just picked up some easy joint sand. We're headed to a walkway. I mentioned this in another video. There's a really old walkway for an elderly couple that we've been servicing for quite a while now. We did a staircase for them about 15 years ago, and they had a contractor come in and do a flagstone walkway, fieldstone retaining walls, and it started to fall apart and everything. But they had issues liability-wise with the walkway settling and then the steps being higher than the walkway. So we went in there, raised that up, and we started doing easy joint in the joints of the flagstone, stepping stones. So ran out, got another couple of buckets. We're gonna finish that up. So hang around. I'll show you what we got once I get the sand in the joints and show you what it looks like when we're all done. These are the stepping stones I was telling you about that we did the easy joint in, and vast improvement over what was here. Obviously we didn't do anything with the walls. We just raised the steps and rejointed them. Otherwise it would have been a complete rip out and reinstall. We only had to come back and do these two steps here, this one and this one, because we ran out of joint material. These were already done from a prior visit, and you can tell it's like mortar in there. So they set up nicely. And the main complaint with the walkway, a different contractor actually installed it years and years and years ago. And then we came in and installed this staircase up here. But main complaint they had was this material was eroding, and then the steps were settling down. So you can see now that that's been dammed up, and that easy joint will lock up, so shouldn't be any settling. And we raised those probably a good couple inches, so now it's nice and flush. Should be easy to shovel for them, and definitely a lot more safer to walk on. So yeah, the easy joint is a pretty nice product. It's expensive, but once you have it installed, that's it. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put some flag tape, some caution tape over those steps. With the weather, a couple of days, they should be cured right up and won't be an issue anymore.